and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share the link of your profile to Facebook. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just go to your Telegram app, make sure you're logged into it. Now, click on this hamburger menu at the left hand side. Thereafter, we need to head over to our profile, click on this avatar icon or just the name, initial letter of your name. Click on it. Now in here there is a username field. Make sure you have set a username, otherwise you won't be able to share your link. Once you've made sure that a username is set, you can copy and while sharing you need to precede this username by t.me and /. Alright, let's test it out. Go to my own messages and just press it with t.me in / and paste in your name, username, and if you click on go, and if you click on this link again, we are in our own profile. So in your case, if you were outside of Telegram, let's test it out in this Telegram, paste it in, precede it with t.me and /. So it is automatically detected that it is our Telegram. Now you see we are directed to our own profile. This is the same link that you want to share to Facebook if you want to share your profile link of Telegram to Facebook. Now you know how to share Telegram link to Facebook. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding sharing your link to Facebook, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.